The custom-made laser cut lamp does have a replaceable light bulb, so if it quits working, be sure to turn it off, and you might want to unplug it. Lift off the finger joint lid. If you can't get it open, you may need to use the point of an X-Acto knife to pry up at one of these points to lift up the lid here. And if you have trouble getting it open, try moving around all four sides and lifting up on some of these finger joints like this to be able to open it up. Lift it off carefully and set it aside. Inside, this is a type G9 lamp, and be sure to use the voltage for the electrical system where you live. For example, this one is a 220 volt G9 lamp. To remove it, you simply pull straight up with gentle but consistent pressure, and the lamp will come out. It looks like this on the base. Get a replacement. These are also available in low voltage, but be sure that the lamp you're using, this one, does not have a transformer, so it's running at line voltage. So this is a 220 volt AC replacement lamp. Then you just line it up. Doesn't matter which way, either this way or this way. Push gently but firmly down, and it should lock in place again in the socket. And then you can test it to make sure it's working properly, and then put the cover back on. You might want to turn the design. This is the back where the cord comes out. You might want to turn the design of the lamp as desired. When you carefully reposition the cover and put the fingers of the finger joint gently in place, you might want to engage one side first. Then, if it's fitting tightly, you might gently pull out so that it can fit into the joints, and your lamp should be, again, ready to enjoy.